Hello, boys and girls. Today, I want to teach you not one, but two different art projects that you can do for Mother's Day. As we know, when this video is uploaded, Mother's Day will be May 10th of the year 2020. If you're watching this in the future, you'll have to find out when Mother's Day is. But I hope you try these activities. They're very simple to follow. And I hope you give your mother something she's really going to love this Mother's Day. For this first art project, you're going to need 2 sheets of paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, a glue stick or glue, and your choice of coloring implement: crayons, markers, colored pencils. You could even use paints or cutting out construction paper and using that. It's up to your creativity. Let's get started. Take your first paper and hold it lengthwise. This is also known as horizontal or hot dog size. Now you're going to fold it the hamburger way. Make sure to press with your finger to really crease that page. Now, if you stop here, you've made a book. This is something that our young friends can do and just draw pictures on the front, the inside, and the back. But we're going to take it a step further. Close your book, place your hand on the paper, and trace with the other hand. Make sure you can see all of your fingers, that they're all separated. If it's too hard for you later on, you're going to need to make all of your fingers together for one big piece. It's your choice of your skills as a cutter. This technique is fun because you don't really need scissors when you use this. You can take your ruler and hold it to the edge, press down firmly, really, really hard, push, 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 and pick up this edge and tear. But wait, my ruler's not big enough for the whole page. Just move the ruler down as carefully as possible. Press, 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 and tear. I can stop with this one strip and leave the rest of this for coloring pages, or I can make more strips. Let me show you what I'm going to do with this one strip here. With this one strip that I just made, I'm going to fold over and push. Then flip the other part back and push. And you'll see I've made the letter Z, or a zigzag. I'm going to continue to fold the paper back over and push until my whole strip is done. Don't forget, when you're done with your glue, to keep it nice, fresh, and sticky, roll it down and put the cap back on. You'll know it's sealed when you hear that click. Gotta love it. Depending on how many accordions you made, you can fit this message. Or you could say, I love you from here to here. Now, you can color your card and draw pictures on the hands and write something special to Mom. I'm going to take a scrap paper and put it under my hands so I don't get my work surface dirty. Then I can take my mom's favorite color, purple, notice how I don't color the words so they're still legible. That means they can still be read. If you can neatly get your card closed again, you can draw something on the cover. I'm going to start with the words Happy Mother's Day. Now, I'm going to draw a flower. This one you can follow along with me as I draw. Let's start with a curved line here and curve it down. Round out that side. Flowers don't have too sharp edges. And round it out again. Curve around and bring it back down to another curve. Now, let's make the base, which will be green. And that can be followed down. It gets tapered and goes into the stem. You can add petals or leaves. They're almost like upside down teardrops. So far, that's what I have. Now, you need the outside of the flower. Go somewhere in the middle of this curve and do a curved line down to the center. Same thing over here. That's called symmetry. It's okay if it's not perfectly symmetrical. Darkening up those lines further tells your eye that they are in front. Now you need the center of the flower. With a curve out and a curve out. Now curve down and curve down, but don't connect them. Next bit, from that corner, curve it down to the opposite side and down low. Then curve it to that line. It's taking shape already. Next, this part is called the bud. And you can draw a line to show the bud is going to open. You'll be able to see all the parts when you color it. This time, I'm using my purple crayon. It may be hard to color because you have that surprise inside. Do the best you can. I'm using a different color technique for the back part of my flower. By going lighter, this will show that the flower has depth. And now, a few texture lines. And for my green. Don't forget to vary your colors. Some areas are darker than others. And there's my flower for my mom. Uh-oh, the back is empty. What am I gonna do here? You may have noticed we didn't sign it yet. And in Hallmark cards, there's a symbol. My sister and I had a joke growing up. It's not a Hallmark, it's a me. Or yup, it's a Hallmark. So, not a, and I'm gonna draw the logo. It starts with an oval. And then up, up, big up, little up, and little up. Then round it out and draw your circles. Love. Write your name here and date it or put your age. I'm doing this video and this card in the year 2020. Now time to color. And here is our finished Mother's Day card. Happy Mother's Day. I love you this much. Mare, mum, mommy, mother, mom, mama, madre. Not a Hallmark. Love, Miss B. 2020. Not enough mother in your Mother's Day? Check out the next Mother's Day project with the link in the description below. I hope you liked this activity. Look at the next one and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Thanks.